God.
What the hell, that was close. You got it on camera, haven't you?
Yeah. My God, that was close.
Takes me so far away from you, so far away from you. It's bittersweet when I look at the screen on my phone, the picture of me and you. I miss It's fucking LeeM.
Sausage. 30 mile an hour, you're an absolute tool. Oh, sausage. Really got far, didn't he? I mean, look at this sausage here, right? Tesco's, it's on the main road, right? Just sitting there like a Toby jug. What the hell? Nice indication, your sausage.
So he said, if you do it now, for the next 6 months you'll have half price, so I'll only be paying like 14 quid. And then when I change my phone eventually, when I decide what I want, then it'll come with a new plan. It's not bad.
Oh, coming out. Yeah, I tell you what, some drivers are bloody useless, aren't they? They don't look. Oh, idiot.
470 towards Cardiff.
Jeepers, creepers. Are you serious?
Take the exit.
God grief, man. Oh, go through the red lights. Go on, go through. Blimmin' heck. Well, right there, you got the pig then, haven't you?
No, I want to paint the cat.
Oh, well, we have mushed the cat. We'll have to scrub the cat.
Okay, I'll paint the pig.
Genuine parts which come with a 2-year warranty. You can up to 40% discount on your next BMW service at Bowker. Book your service online with us today. Search Bowker BMW in Blackburn or Preston. Think BMW. Think Bowker. The home of Ken Booth with Wix Kitchens. Book a free design.
then, it is time to lock these in and send them the answers straight over to Quizmaster Stuart. And if you're playing at home or wherever you're listening right now, keep your answers with you. We will mark them all together in about 5 minutes to see who scores what. Are you ready to press send then?
Heading for the top corner in the bathroom cabinets. With bundle discounts and special bonus gifts galore, shop the whole range now at sculptchamber.co.uk.
It's back from the 11th of November. Our biggest ever Dulux Decorator Centre Super Saver event with up to 50% off in store and online. Up to 25% off Dulux Trade, Diamond Matte, Vinyl Matte, Dulux Heritage.
Thank you. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.
It's presented by Rightmove. One of the toughest things I found when moving home is working out exactly how much you could afford. The last thing you want to do is to have your heart set on a dream place and it fall through. So it helps to double check your home's value during your search.
sun to